Dear students, good morning. Today we are going to start our fourth chapter. The name of that fourth chapter is Practical Geometry. Practical Geometry means we have to draw the figures. In last year, in 7th standard, we already learned how to construct a triangle. If I want to construct one triangle, then how many components I need? I must think on that. If I want to draw one triangle, then I need 3 components. Whether that 3 components contain 3 sides, 2 sides, 1 angle, 2 angles, 1 side. These are the 3 possibilities. When we know the 3 sides, at that time we can draw the triangle. When we know the 2 sides and 1 angle, at that time we draw the triangle. And when we know the 2 angles and 1 side, then we can draw the triangle. Now, if I want to draw the quadrilateral or construct quadrilateral, then how many components I need? Many students tell that, sir, if to draw the triangle we need 3 components, then to draw the quadrilateral we need 4 components. This is the answer from many students. But to draw the quadrilateral we must need 5 components. How many components we need? 5 components we need. To draw the unique quadrilateral, we need 5, not 4. In this chapter, we are going to see how to draw the quadrilateral. Different types of quadrilateral we learn in previous chapter, that is understanding quadrilateral. We see the definitions of different quadrilaterals, we see the properties of different quadrilaterals. In this chapter, Practical Geometry, we have to draw the quadrilateral by given measurements. Construction number 1. Construction number 1, that is, when the length of 4 sides, when the length of 4 sides and a diagonal are given, when the length of 4 sides and a diagonal are given, at that time we have to construct the quadrilateral. Length of 4 sides and length of diagonal means how many components we must know? 5 components of that quadrilateral. If we know, then we can draw the quadrilateral. First construction, remember, in that construction we have given the length of all 4 sides of that quadrilateral and length of 1 diagonal. Every quadrilateral has 2 diagonal. When we get the diagonal, when we join the 2 non-consecutive vertices of that quadrilateral, then we get the quadrilateral. Means in every quadrilateral we get 2 diagonals. Right? Here we see the first example. Today we are going to learn this construction number 1, in which 4 sides of a quadrilateral are given and the length of 1 diagonal is given. Exercise 4.1. Question number 1. Construct the following quadrilaterals. Construct the following quadrilaterals. Sub question 1. Quadrilateral ABCD quadrilateral ABCD you have to construct. Components are given. AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD equal to 4 centimeter, AD is equal to 6 centimeter, and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. The measures of 5 components are given. AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD is equal to 4 centimeter, AD is equal to 6 centimeter, and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. We have to construct the quadrilateral. Before constructing that quadrilateral, first we draw one rough figure. Why we are drawing that rough figure? To get the clear idea of that quadrilateral, we must draw the rough figure in every example. Here ABCD is quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. This is the quadrilateral rough figure. AB is given, length AB is given 4.5. Draw the measures. AB 4.5. BC 5.5. The length of CD is 4 and the length of AD is 6 centimeter. All the measures are in centimeter. 4 sides of that quadrilateral, the length of 4 sides of that quadrilateral are given to you. Now one more thing is given, that is the diagonal AC. The length of diagonal AC is given. If we join A and C, these are the two non-consecutive vertices, A and C, then we get the diagonal AC. The length of the diagonal AC is 7. In this year or in this topic practical geometry, we have to construct different types of quadrilateral. And in last year we already learned how to construct a triangle. Different constructions of triangle where 3 sides are given, 2 sides 1 angle, 2 angles 1 side. Different types of triangles we construct in last year. But in this year we have to see the how to draw the quadrilateral. To draw the quadrilateral, if we observe this rough figure, that diagonal AC divide that quadrilateral into 2 triangles. That diagonal AC divide that quadrilateral into 2 triangles. First we draw that upper triangle and then we draw that lower triangle. Joining of the two triangles, we get the quadrilateral, required quadrilateral. Steps of constructions are given in the notes. For your understanding purpose, that steps of constructions are given. No necessity to write in the exam. In examination, you must write the rough figure. Rough figure is compulsory, and the main figure. Now, how to draw this quadrilateral ABCD? First, we draw the AC, steps of construction. Steps of construction. Step number 1. Draw a segment AC of length. Draw a segment AC of length 7 centimeter. First we have to draw one segment AC of length 7 centimeter. Then draw arc of length 6 centimeter from point A, and another arc of length 4 centimeter from point C. First we have to draw a segment AC of length 7 centimeter. Then we are going to draw an arc, 2 arcs, one from point A, another from point C. The length of arc which we are going to draw from point A is 6 centimeter, and the length of arc which are going to draw from point C is 4 centimeter. The intersection point of both the arcs is denoted by D. Intersection point of both the arcs is point D. Then step number 4. Again we have to draw the two arcs, one from point A and another from point C. Draw arc of length 4.5 centimeter from point A and 5.5 centimeter from point C. Intersection point of both the arcs is point B. We have to denote that intersection point of both the arcs which are drawn from point A and point C below the diagonal AC is to be denoted by point B. Then step number 6, last step, join AD, CD, AB, AC. We get quadrilateral ABCD. These are the steps of constructions. I already told you that no necessity to write the steps of construction in exam. Only draw rough figure and main figure. Again, I explain how to draw the quadrilateral. First, draw the length AC of 7 centimeter. AC 7 centimeter. Then draw an arc of length 6 centimeter. From this point A, draw an arc of length. Take 6 centimeter distance in compass from point A, draw in one arc. From point A, draw an arc of length 6 centimeter. Then you have to draw another arc of length 4 centimeter from point C. From point C, by keeping the tip of compass at point C, draw an arc which intersects the previous arc at some point. That point is denoted as point D. Join AD, join CD. This is 4, this is 6. Now again you have to draw the same two arcs from point A and point C. The length of arc which you are going to draw from point A is 4.5. 4.5. From this point A, draw an arc of length 4.5. And from this point C, draw an arc of length 5.5 which intersect at some point. That intersection point is denoted as point B. Join AB and join CD. This length is 4.5, this length is 5.5. This is the required quadrilateral ABCD.